Welcome to this beautifully maintained, move-in ready home. With 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, there's plenty of room for everyone to spread out and feel right at home. Step into the spacious kitchen and open dining area, perfect for hosting. A large patio door leads you out to the newly rebuilt covered patio, giving you all the space you need for holiday dinners, birthday parties, and those memorable get-togethers. On cooler nights, unwind in the cozy living room, complete with a warm fireplace, your go-to spot for movie nights and winter evenings. The main level primary bedroom offers comfort and convenience, featuring a generous walk-in closet and an ensuite bath with both a relaxing garden tub and step-in shower. Upstairs, you'll find 3 well-sized bedrooms that share a full bath with a tub and shower combination, ideal for family or guests. The daylight basement adds even more living space, offering a versatile game room or recreation area for fun year-round. And when the weather's right, step outside to the custom-built fire pit and patio, creating the perfect atmosphere to enjoy summer nights and crisp fall evenings with friends and family. Call Tom Kahneman today to see everything this home has to offer.